Nung ginawa ko kanina, naglalaro kami ni Bob, alam mo kung ano nangyayari? Scratch. Kaya mga pros yung mga...
Oo.
Ay, Jonald Galve is seeing some gold. He's gonna go for it. He has to go for it. Eh, he indeed went for it. Jonald Galve, 3-0 start for Negros. Tanggap naman niya hindi na siya sa Roel Silang, no?
Yeah.
Roel Smiley na siya. Dito sa ating season 2. Sa 5-on-5, if anything, 5-on-5.
5-on-5 for Royal Omay. 12 wins, 18 losses for Royal Omay. That's 40% win rating. Para dito kay RSO.
Pag bin-breakdown mo talaga, makikita mo yung trend nila, no?
Yeah.
Kahit sa total nila, especially when they play one-on-one, saka kaya sa doubles. Kumbaga, the numbers will tell how these players will fare.
O kung saan sila mas pabor. Kung sa 5-on-5
true.
ba, sa doubles ba, kung sa 1-on-1, maganda din ba yung mga naging record nila?
Yes, because there are players that they have a high win rating.
Yes.
When they play tandem.
Tsaka ito, for example na lang, si Paul Kenneth Arpilleda,
Yes,
pag laging ini-interview yung bata na yun, lagi niya sinasabi na mas pabor talaga ako dito sa doubles kaysa sa singles.
Good placement of that cue ball towards the brown 7. And Roel Omay will bring Paranaque to within 1. Kinaliwa pa. Practice lang daw. Ayun naman, no? This match for Paranaque. Natalo lang siya ni Jonald Galve.
No.
At mukhang run out nga ito, Doc Nicky.
Parang may something na talagang kulang.
Oo.
Eric Navarrete with headgear. Eric Navarrete without the headgear.
Pabilang natin kay Professor Cristian. Total, wala naman siyang ginagawa dito. Kung ano-ano rin naiisip. Kung ano-ano rin naiisip na team name.
Oo. Ito, Navarrete, 5. Banayad lang dito sa side para sa separate side pocket lang itong 6 ball. Pinaputok ang tira for that 5 ball.
Great stop ball. Great stun shot. Just a nudge. There you go. Pull it back a bit. If you want that 9 ball to the corner. That's good. Parang din drawing lang, no?
Yeah. Yun na nga. So, Eric Navarrete, nakabawi siya dito. Siya nga tumapos dun sa run kanina ng first out dito ni Balbon. Kaya maaaring siya uli ang pinasok dito ng Kings.
Their scorer so far
Yeah.
dito sa King of the Hill Monday natin. Dito sa SBA. Maganda yung sinabi ng Raelian sa Linel Siya raw binakabata 18.
Aba.
Sige.
Daming nakahakang sa gitna.
But Jonald Galve will brace through that traffic. Almost making that 1 ball, but the 9 ball almost. Nick Abergas, expect a bank shot. No. Actually went for a safety.
Oh.
Another 2-rail shot for Jonald Galve to avoid that traffic, and it produced another safety shot.
Harang ang 8, harang din ang 3. Kaya kailangan niya dito mag-kick.
Sino ang kukurap? Yun ang tanong.
Kick and stick dito ang gagawin niya. Let's see. There you go.
That's the kick and stick. And pwedeng gawin dito ni Nick Abergas. So a more convenient option gusto niyang intentional foul para ipasok na 9 ball, mauuwi sa kapahamakan. Kahit hindi na nga yumuko ng todo, ayun na nga, papasok na yung 9 ball. Ang nangyari lang, Drasir Mauricio made a lot of contact, made a lot of pocket. So he's dealing with another problem here, which is the purple 4, Doc Nicky.
Pero ito, mapaparating niya ata sa gitna nito. There you go!
Fantastic shot.
And even the side of Parañaque appreciating that shot from Brazil Mauricio.
Tuwa rin si Smiley.
Baga sa mangga hinog na itong layout na to. Pipitasin mo na lang. For Dart Bonode.
It's beautiful draw shot for Dart. So far, that red 3 is going to the corner pocket.
Lang dito ingatan ni Bonode.
There you go.
Kung pasunod itong tira na gagawin dito ni Bonode. Hindi, sa side pocket niya na lang.
O kontra. Hindi, kabila.
Pinakawalan niya tira niya doon. Baliwala ito. There you
He's
go.
opting to go for those natural angles.
Yes.
That's something you do appreciate from a guy like Dark Bonode. That's not complicating things.
Yeah.
Diba?
Player preference pa rin kasi pagdating sa mga ganyan eh.
Oh,
Look at this, Jay.
looking so smooth.
For their 7th win tonight.
And the first one for Mr. Bonode. Hindi ka makakita. De La Salle Green. Ano magandang moniker sa nagbibilyar ng Tagal Lasal, no? Was a great shot coming from Jolo Asporia.
Iniwasan. Opting for this 3-8 combo is Asporia. There you go.
Dire-diretso na kay Jolo to.
Ito pa naman bata na to eh. Napakabilis din tumira.
Alam mo, Direct Bimbo, pwede kayo magsama ni Aris Almario ngayon eh. Bumubuo kayo ng mga team eh. Si Aris nakabuo na ng team ng mga doktor. Ikaw rin, naisipan mo na rin ng team si Dart. Kasi pwede kayo magsama ngayon. Malayo mararating ng kwentuhan nyo ngayon.
Dapat pala inurasan ko tong rack na to for Asporia. Napakabilis. Kumakaripas ang mga tira dito ni Asporia na parang may lakad. With the way he's finishing this rack, Jay.
Andiyan naman si Eric Navarrete. Andiyan yung taxi driver. Wala naman nag-aabang ng taxi para kay Jolo Asporia. Pero binilisan niya lang to. There's one thing that Parañaque is doing right in this matchup is to keep this one within. It's a 3-0 start by Jonald Galve to begin this King of the Hill Monday as Raymond Kamawat made that cut shot.
Pero ito na nga, kahit gaano kadikit, hindi pa nakakalamang dito tonight, Jay. Ang side ng Parañaque.
Dito sa mesa, Doc Nicky, wala tayong sinasabi. Yun lang naman.
Wala pa naman.
Wala pa.
Nabanggit mo lang yung
Wala pa tayong bro
context
this
na yun.
evening. Oh.
Yeah.
Lalo't wala naman tayo sinasabing safe to say.
Ayun na, sinabi mo na.
Nag-umpisa lang yung konteksto natin sa wala pang nakaka-bro.
Okay, sige. Medyo tire-reach lang siya dito pero ang problema.
Pero yung kumpiyansa ng Raymart Kamamot kanina, puro ball control lang, puro
Yeah.
mahina. Ngayon, naririnig mo, there's some explosion on those
Yes.
pockets. And 9 ball is in for Raymart Kamamot. And look at that, just 2 racks away. And for Jonald Calve, for sa'yo na production natin. No?
Oo.
And the cross-country trip will continue.
But ito, may magagamit na siyang 2 bola. The 2 and the 4.
Yan, may contact. Ganda pa ng kontrabanda.
Yes.
At naitago pa doon sa Orange 5.
Kailangan ng 2-rail or maybe a 3-rail kick dito ni Jonald Galve. There you go.
Made that ball run behind the green 6 and the brown 7. Kasi alanganin yung pwesto ng blue 2. Nakatikit pa yung purple 4. Pinasok muna ni taxi driver. Again, that has been the story so far. Make no mistake about it.
Yeah. Mula kanina on top of our coverage.
Negros Occidental.
Mm.
Well, ang number 2 naman kasi, si
Our action tonight.
so far, Drasir Mauricio just won a solitary rack.
Yeah.
Walang hiwalayang naganap dun sa Black 8 saka sa 9 ball.
Uses some check side English on that cue ball. Long shot na lang daw for this 6.
And again, the only player that haven't won a rack so far this evening is Ryan Mark Hidalgo.
Yeah, on the side of the Negros Pillars.
Well, si Dean Mark hindi pa naman pinapasok
Yeah.
dito, pero that has been the role so far of Castro.
Yeah. Baga pamatay sunog.
Oo.
Nitong para niya ng Negros Occidental
Sa
Pillars.
mabisang fire extinguisher, si Dean Mark Castronuevo. Pero pagdating kung sino ang pacer nila, ayan, si Tisoy ang the Hills. 9 ball in motion.
Nakakaka na 7 dun, Jay.
And if anything, speaking of magagang kasama, no, magaan din ang pakiramdam ng mga prod people ngayon. No? Umpisa sa league director natin, sa director natin. Well, if anything, this is something, we can say it, we can put this out, we can say it bluntly na you have this Parañaque Kings who haven't won a series so far. They are deep, went toe-to-toe against the league leaders, and they were just a dry.
There you go. Kontrapektos pang ginawa dito ni Kamomot.
Baligtad.
Wow.
That's something we did not expect. Kala natin pakaliwa na kagad yung draw shot, pero kontrapektos, kontra banda. And talk about showcasing your ability, Raymart Kamomot. Aabangan mo to pag ito sumalang sa one-on-one, no?
Alam nating may skill talaga to. Umahati nga daw ng bala.
Umahati ng bala.
Yun.
Pero dito, walang hati-hati. Sabi ng Negros Occidental, amin talaga ang gabi na to.
Sabi niya nga, kumbaga,
Friday na lang ang hindi pa sila natatalo
Yes,
doon.
oo.
So now checking at the action inside the table. Ito, sina Abergas and Navarrete. Pero ang nag-umpisa ng Sargo dito was Parañaque.
the Negros Pillars.
Negros Occidental Pillars.
Mm-mm.
Sayang yung nangyari kahapon na akala ko makakatikim ulit ng panalo itong Parañaque Kings because the last time they won was yung last doubles nila
Yeah.
na na-secure na win, no?
Oo.
That was like 2 weeks ago.
Tapos ito pa ang dalawa na to, si Abergas at Navarrete, ang naging duo of the night pa nun.
Yes, ito na nga silang dalawa.
Parang mainit pa rin nga ang tira dito ng dalawa na to, AJ. Ito
Since
naman
then,
naman.
no? Parang yun na nga.
Oo.
2 balls away. Abergas on the 8 ball. Same pocket for the 9. And it's gonna be Navarrete to pot the final ball. So far, so good.
Mm-mm.
Ruel Omay, ayan, nakita natin siya yung huling pag-asa sana.
Yeah,
Last
kagabi.
night's 5-on-5.
At ito, nabigyan ng unang panalo dito ang duo of the night, last doubles. I think he's
Maalala eh.
still saving himself para sa ano.
End game. All of
Yeah.
that right there. Banks the 3. Serves as a combination on the 6 ball. And look at this. Meron pang open shot dun sa 3. Which adds a bit of challenge. Pero ayan, minanilang ni Abergas dito.
True to his name, the pocketing.
Great shot,
And
great
look at
speed.
this, cue ball control from Abergas.
Perfect. Tumalon pa yung pato since naka-jack up siya doon and he needed to apply a decent amount of strength to sa tirang yon. And once again, Parañaque on the verge of running out.
Bigyan mo na. On the verge of
Sabi
running out na pala eh.
Sabi ko sa sarili ko, ang ganda ng start ng Parañaque. Biglang si Doc Nicky, di bigyan mo na.
Oh, bigyan mo na.
Wag naman.
Ayaw mo pa? Ayun no.
Kailangan nilang
The
makahabol.
writing is on the wall already for
Well,
this rack.
since pabor naman na, medyo kailangan lang diinan tong tiran to. It's safe to say.
Yun.
Yan, short side position na lang dito sa 9.
Oo.
Since kahit may konting angle na yon, he knew that he needed to punch that 8 ball
Yeah.
na medyo may kalakasan para makatawid for the 9 ball. So medyo pilipit lang tong final ball ni Eric Navarrete, but he puts it away.
At hindi napahiya si AJ Ong sa nabigay ng S2S.
2-0, medyo bago to sa aking paningin since maganda ang umpisa ng Parañaque Kings. Abergas and Navarrete with a successful golden break. Would you look at that?
Tatlong sunod agad dito ha. Parang napapikit lang ako na saglit. Yeah, yung binench muna ngayon ng
Alright.
Negros.
Okay, successfully making the 2. Ang uno,
Pwede pa rin yan,
pwede
AJ.
pa rin. May halo na rin yung ganun, di ba?
Yes.
Pero it's more of yung kanilang performance ang nakikita natin dito.
Boost
Of
na yan.
course. Kaya lagi natin sinestress out dito kung sino yung unang nakalima.
Yes.
Kasi napakalaking ano yan eh. Hindi naman sure indication pero laking bagay
Yeah.
to determine kung anong magiging resulta.
Kasi
diba?
tatanda natin, this is a race to 13.
Pero itong si Coach Jojo, upon talking to him, kumpiyansa siya na makakalimang diretso ang
Yeah.
kanyang mga players dito.
Makikita natin yan ha. Barring any untoward incidences.
Yan na naman tayo dyan.
Wala ka namang sinabi.
Okay,
pero
okay.
sinabi mo lang naman na this will be our first break and run.
Just in case.
O, diba? Ang ganda naman.
Looking good. Look at this.
Yes.
He
Yun na
landed
naman ha.
perfectly on the
Naisingit mo
8.
pa talaga.
Perfect landing on the block. Same pocket for the final ball. Screws back the cue ball. But ito si Totoy Daga. Nag-e-enjoy dito sa side ng Parañaque Kings. Check this out. 6 straight for Parañaque. Anywhere, wag lang dito na kung saan wala talagang kita ang 6. Nako naman. Okay.
But look at this
Check this
control, AJ.
out. Come on. Teka lang. Nako.
Oh.
So Dart Bonode, pagkatapos niyang hatakin yung bola kanina. Okay. Went for the bank instead of the cut. Mukhang hindi siguro maganda. Nako, 9 dito.
Oo.
Kick combination ang attempt dito. Oh! Kinapi!
Wow!
They can go and hit the 6 ball directly. Pero mas maganda ng go for the 9. Napakapal nga lang. Or kaya bang baksakan na lang to ni Jonald? Ay, hindi. Oh my. Kabila.
Hindi din.
Hindi din. Pinaikot niya sana.
Yeah.
Mukhang yun na nga yung iniisip ni Dart Bonode. Bank combination is a success.
Yun na nga. Talagang sa Parañaque pa rin mapupunta yung rack na yun.
Para talagang maximum distance. Tsaka maraming nakaharang.
At ito ha. Roel Omay seeing his first action tonight.
Chance ng Parañaque Kings kahapon. It was against Raymart Camomot. So matatamaan obviously yung 6 ball. Maganda dapat. Aba. So that is if they could get there. Pwede rin ang 9. Tama ang sinabi ni Hero. Pero yun na nga. Hindi nga lang sila masyadong nabiyaan ng magandang setup for the 6. Makakapwesto ng maganda sa 7. He went for it. Look
Check
at that
this
right there.
out, guys.
Nothing but air.
Nothing but the bottom of the pocket right there.
Wow.
For Nick Abergas. Pinakitaan tayo ng solid na pocketing dun. Need a pocketing.
That was a great shot from Abergas. At yun na lang talaga yung tanging tira
Yes.
na available na madaling atakihin tsaka madaling makakarating sa 7 ball. Parañaque to score once again. Sabigaw ng wala.
Roel Omay and Nick Abergas. Kalaban pa nila yung top team ng ating Season 2 so far.
Again guys, tulad ng sinabi namin kanina sa intro, itong Parañaque na obviously naghahabol o kailangan maghabol. Sa pagsimula ng ating Taco Tuesdays, magandang nagiging storya so far ng dito Parañaque.
Yeah.
Okay, so Negros Occidental Pillars on their way for a possible run out.
Na golden pa to, AJ.
Nako, yon. So, eto na. Getting to the 7. Good. Or hatak ng konti. Ayun, tampal ibabaw para may konting angle. Okay, so simpleng tulak na lang para kay Camomot. cue ball will automatically line up with the 9. Okay, kala ko mabibitin pa doon. Okay. Okay. So using the mechanical bridge, no choice, medyo nalagay sa alanganin. Shouldn't be a problem for Galve. Nicely done.
There you go. For their third win tonight.
That was a safety attempt, not
Yeah.
a combination. Kasi yung pagbalik sa DOS, it's gonna be pretty impossible. So not bad, not a bad leave. Kaso nga lang, they have opened an opportunity for a possible karambola.
Yeah.
A possible carom on the 9. Aspuria looking at it.
Using the extension dito. Para siguraduhin.
Pwedeng pasisirin yung pato directly, pwedeng gamitin yung rail. Watch out, guys. Tingnan natin dito. Watch out for the 9. Oh, beautiful shot. Nicely done.
There you go. Yun na nga ang ginawa dito, AJ. Just like what you described on that one. A carom towards the 9 ball.
Oh, almost losing the cue ball.
2 ball went in there for Jonald Galve on that break.
Jolo Aspuria trying to swerve and make the 1 ball. Nicely done. Great shot. And he was rewarded.
Yes.
But it's pretty straight.
Mhm.
Yeah, nicely done. Nicely struck. Pitik lang din sa may side rail. Very simple. Okay, natural. Just watch out for the corner pocket. Kaya naglagay ng konting inside or probably inadjust niya yung kanyang aiming doon sa pocket. 2 rails forward if I were to shoot with some top right spin. Pwede ring ilalim, hatak, or akala ko ilalim
Yeah.
Papasayuin pa niya yun. So pretty interesting yung kanyang aiming Nagpapalit pala.
There you go. Iwanan ng medyo madaling tira dito for that one. Itong si RSO.
Okay. Nice shot right there from RSO. Very smooth. Just needs to control the cue ball right here. Lalapit naman tong pato.
Balikan lang natin dito yung mga nagko-comment sa Facebook. Manny Solsona.
Of
Emong
course.
Kunanan.
And Gerson Kumayas
Yeah.
as well. Medyo sinuwerte yung
For claiming victory dito, AJ.
that is right, Doc Nicky. For the first time this week,
Yes.
from the short rail, prepping for the side pocket. Medyo napalambot nga,
Yeah.
narinig nga natin.
Yeah.
Same pocket possibly, sa kabila kinuha.
Wow!
Nicely done.
Nice shot selection there coming from the youngster.
Great recovery. Oh my, he wasn't able to seal the deal last night, but now it's his chance for redemption.
Poetic justice ang nabigay dito kay Roel Omay, securing the win dito sa ating Taco Tuesdays.
To go back to what happened last Monday na si Kapitan Balbon din yung nag-umpisa para sa Negros Occidental.
Mini run, so to speak, nito ni Jonald Galve at 3-0 start there.
Kaya nasabi natin medyo hindi maganda yung umpisa kasi Jonald Galve, talking about pocketing, his pocketing was, for lack of a better term, minsan napapasobra yung angulo, minsan napapakapal, minsan napapanipis. So hindi pa nakuha yung timpla agad-agad.
Oo.
Pero nakatrito nating run.
Lalo na nung unang rack nila, napakadami nilang
Oo.
bumugation nito ni Eric Navarrete.
But from the looks of it, Jonald Galve will clean up this rack ni Nick Abergas.
Ito tatandaan natin, Jay, this one-on-one matchup, pag natalo ka dito, hindi ka tulad ng King of the Hill, napapalitan ka. Have the endurance to finish it hanggang mamaya
That's
maka-13
right. Oo.
kayo.
Kaya kahit pa paano, masusubukan din dito yung tikas ni the pocketing Pero itong si Kapitan Balbon,
Yeah. Boss Perry Mariano in
Oo.
the house.
9-ball! Got it!
Parang pati siya nagulat dun, Jay. Pwede mo tagal. Gusto mo bukas ka pa tumira eh. Maiinip pa kalaban mo nun.
In the meantime, Jonal Galvez taking advantage of that dry break by Nick Abergas. And
Yung 3 to the 4, eh, kailangan lang ditong bumalik.
kailangan
Itong
ka
puti
mamasyal.
dyan sa may area na yan. That's okay.
Maya-maya, isasama na rin natin. Makikisali na rin tayo sa kwentuhan nila.
Raw lang to, raw.
Oo. Ganda naman ng pabatak ni Jonal Galvez.
Medyo na diretso lang siya dito sa 8, pero magagawa ng paraan to. Ilalim lang to. There you go.
Yan. Nakabawi na si Balbon after Nick Abergas winning back-to-back racks. Jonal Galvez able to cut that run.
Susubukan dito ni Abergas na solve itong mga
In the middle of the table, so you need excellent ball control.
there you go.
Yan ang wala tayo. Yung nag-1-on-1 din kami ni Mark Zambrano. Race to 15. Ayun, inabot kami ng alas 2.
Di ba? Hindi pa tumatama yung puti dun sa ating mga railings.
Kaya nga eh.
Libre entrance, guys.
Ay,
Sinabay pa.
Dinoble! Kapag nabandang gilid lang yan eh, haharang pa sa 9 yan. But Nick Abergas, mukhang may lakad. Gusto na kagad makuha yung kanyang ikatlong panalo. Simpleng-simple. Para kay The Pocketing. Ano sinasabi niya? Pare naman.
Nailayo pa dito ang
Dual
pato.
purpose.
Yeah. Double contact there on the 1. May tatago ba sa likod ng 5? Can use that. There you go. The right side of that long rail for Galvez.
He can pocket that one if he gets the right angle. Although, yun lang. Hindi lang naipasok.
Ingat lang siya sa scratch dito. There you go.
Went rail first. That's a better shot for Nick Abergas. However, went rail first.
Ating both teams.
Yes, please.
For the Negros Occidental Pillars, for their 4 previous appearances dito sa ating one-on-one Wednesdays, Taguig Stallions, nung natalo si Jolos Puya kontra kay Demosthenes Pulpul.
Oh! Made that one ball, but the level of difficulty did not go down, Doc Nicky.
Going for Galvez on that one. Gagamit na naman ulit siya ng safety dito.
Yan ang
There you go.
magandang tago. That metal being the 9 ball. Just gonna be a very difficult shot for Nick Abergas. Nick Abergas dito.
Needs to massay this one.
Say, got it. Contact on the green 6. Got a good
Pwede na
shot on the
rin.
blue 2. Sabi ni Eric Navarrete, turo ko yan.
Bata ko yan, sabi ni
Oo.
Eric.
May isa pa nga lang issue dito. Yung red 3 tsaka yung brown 7 rather.
Parang one ball eh.
May
Yun, no?
contact to the black 8.
Si Norman Binangonan, sabi niya. Pangalawa, itong si Paolo Reggae. Ba? Paolo Reggae? Ano to?
Mga kalaro niya siguro sa bilyar yan. That name that we always love to mention. Pero wala naman tayo mababanggit na S2S dito kasi meron pa
Oo, ang players natin. Walang gustong pumasok indos eh.
And the 9 ball is near to each other. Alam mo may special na mangyayari.
Oo.
Tulad yan!
Ooh!
Ay, konti na lang! O, tapos placing ulit. Sabi
But a
ko.
great try there. I'll take an intentional foul. Kung ako
But no, Nick Abergas is gonna go for that side pocket. May silip.
Wow! Okay.
Avoided the scratch.
It's nice.
And Nick Abergas got it. And Nick Abergas will slowly break up that collection of object balls.
Ngayon, mabibiyayaan siya on this one.
Did not go for a scratch on that corner pocket. Kasi pwede naman kung lalagyan niya talaga, kung didiinan niya yung
Oo.
pailalim doon. Oh. Fast queuing coming from Nick Abergas.
Total, nasa bibig naman na daw yung 9.
Ay, diretso na yan.
Dalawa pa yung pinasok niya, Jay.
Lininis talaga.
Oo.
Ever talaga. From a break or coming off a shot.
The way these balls are laid on this table, hindi imposible for Jonald Galvez to finish this up.
Hinatulan na ng AJ Ong specialty ni Doc
Oo,
Nicky.
di ba?
The Negros Occidental pillars are aware na binigyan mo na ng S2S.
Ayun, oo.
Nanonood ng stream natin yan.
Banayad ang tira for that 4. Binatak
Nice
pa para sa
draw
6.
shot. There you go. Matibay, ah.
Gumamit pa talaga ng tirit doon, si Galve.
Getting to this 9 ball. Too easy on that run out. Puro row pa lang. Wala yung B. Might be in the offering for Nick Abergas. Unless Doc Nicky is so confident that he might give this one another S2S.
Parang ayoko muna. Yun ang nakikita ko dito sa kak na to. Parang ayoko muna.
Sa kinikilos ni The Pocketing, sige ako na magbibigay.
O, sige.
It's looking good, really.
Sige.
So it's safe to say.
Uy, tik pa yun, no? Medyo sumabit agad yung 4 doon, ah. Pero pumasok naman.
Hindi mo naman bibigyan ng pangalan ng The Pocketing. An open layout. He'll just clean this one. On that shot. Mas malakas ang kapangyarihan ng mga nasa mesa ngayon, Doc Nicky.
Into back.
Ay!
Yet again, that 6 ball is giving Galve problems tonight, Jay.
Kinargahan niya yung
Yeah.
tira niya sa green 6.
Para mapunta doon yung pato, papunta sa 7, sana mas madali ang tira.
Kasasabi pa lang natin, huwag manggigil just to keep your resolve. Isa pa to.
But the 9,
But the 9 ball got nudged.
matutulak pa ata ng
And
pato.
the 9 ball will go in for Nick Abergas.
Wow! Abergas.
Pinag-isipan pa
Oo.
kung papasok.
Yun, no?
Just jacking up that shot.
Nicely done there for Abergas.
Nawala lang doon sa hilera si Christian Season kasi kinukulit ni Dean Mark Castronuevo.
Side pocket, Sinkita ball on that side pocket is the 4
Oo.
ball.
Pipinahan.
There
That
you
shot
go.
on the side. Just roll it towards that spot. Here's Nick Abergas doing what he does best.
And for the Kings, ako nakapag-interview dito.
Oo.
Tinanong ko, ano bang gusto mong moniker ang itawag namin sa'yo? True to his words, ito na nga ang pinapakita sa inyo ni Nick Abergas.
A bit earlier, di ba?
Mm.
Dito sa Koponan ng Paranaque, perhaps may isa na sanang sering na panalo itong Paranaque Kings. Kasi
Amoy ko na, ito na nga.
gusto mo ituloy na rin. Oh, what a great shot coming from John Galve. Nipis kung nipis.
Yes.
Ang Negros Occidental. Ano ang ginawa ng Paranaque?
Ay di tinayuli sa 11.
Oh.
From winning that game was the Kings.
Kaya sinabi natin kanina na 2-0 sana to
Yeah.
pabor sa Paranaque.
Yeah.
One too many times already in this season that the Kings were just one play away, one break away that perhaps could give them a series finally. Kasi dito po sa ating season 2, si Paranaque na lang po ang hindi pa nakakaranas ng panalo sa isang serye. And Coach Jojo Sanchez is loving it. Especially with Negros just reclaiming the lead.
Tsura nga ng rack natin ngayon, no? Yung latag ng mga bola, mukhang kakayanin na naman ni Galving makaungus dito.
Kasi kung madadalaw po kayo dito sa Sharks Arena ng mas maaga-aga. Remember, we always begin at 8 in the evening, weeknight. And yung mga bolang nasa butas na, they're just gonna withdraw it. Seven on the corner.
Parang hawig na magmumumog yun, pero not a problem for Galve.
Tumaas yung heart rate. Naging 120 beats per minute doon sa Brown 7. Pero ito, kumakalma na ulit. Bumababa na ulit sa 80, 70. Pero tataas ulit kasi matutuwa ang Negros.
Nakaungus na nga dito. Uli. Ito si Jonald Galve.
I'm also thinking no.
Yeah.
Pero pumasok ang Brown 7.
Pag-ibig na tunay nga ba ito? How fitting will this be kung gano'n na mangyayari? Pero hindi.
Napalakas ang tira ni Kapitan Balbon. Pero okay lang. Carom shot.
Yeah.
Nang naisipan nung 9 ball, tumambay lang doon sa bangin.
Coming from Nick
That's
Abergas,
right.
para nakikita na niya na the end is almost near on this rack. 5 racks to 4 kanina.
This Jonald Galve also created a 3, his own 3-0 run. But the difference, if anything, again, they're lock on the break.
Yeah.
Cross-country preparations.
With a bro, Jonald Galve ending our one-on-one Wednesdays.
Hindi lang audience mamaya mga taga-Tagistanis. Baka mamaya makakasama natin sa booth yan.
No. Okay. Whoa, 6 ball down. Look at this. Very successful break coming from the Negros Occidental Pillars.
So it's something different that we saw from the previous night. May matagumpay kaagad yung Sargo.
Yes. Guess who's number 1 breaking?
Ayan, kalaban nila.
Paranaque Kings, di ba?
Oo.
It's just that hindi lang sila nakaka-convert. Sayang lang yung Sargo. So, tingnan natin. Baka naman it might turn, di ba, around para sa kanila for this week.
Ang
Since
storya-
2-1 tayo
Oo.
ngayon.
Ang storya lang nito, ang kalat ng layout, Jolo Aspuria and Drasir Mauricio playing beautiful music together.
That's right.
This could be our first break and run
BRO.
out. That's right,
That's
bro.
right, bro kaagad. Pero medyo nadiretso lang dito. So,
Anong solusyon dyan?
Ano na lang
Anong
dito?
remedyo?
yan o, pinopoint out niya dun sana. Pero, pwedeng, ay ba, kaya pang i-cheat yung pocket slightly to the left. Ito, wala nang problema to kahit medyo may kalaliman na angle. Cue ball, ingat lang, syempre. Ingat sa may corner pocket.
Ganda naman
Ayun.
ang pina ni Tisoy.
Okay.
First bro of our evening.
O, teka lang. 6.
The 6 will make it.
Okay.
One almost.
Kasi medyo alanganin yung tira sa 2. So, buti na lang kamo. May leverage sila dito sa 1 ball. Very nice. So, side for the 2. Tampal, palapit. Ande, papabounce pa sa may short rail. Okay.
Kung may issue man dito, yung orange file na lang. But it's not really an issue.
Nako, yun lang ang tinamaan yung 7.
It's going to deny a good vision of
Position.
that orange 5.
That's right. Yun.
There it is.
Great shot from Eric Navarrete once again. So, eto, ano na lang. Bounce na may left spin. Yan. Na-discover nga lang ng konti.
Again, this was the duo of the night.
Last Tuesday.
Last Tuesday, oo. Winning 6 straight to start. Ang total, 8 kay Nick, 7 kay Eric Navarrete. Kasi yung iba rin nag-contribute. Si The Dart, si RSO. At dito, nagtutuloy-tuloy na naman dito. Itong si Eric Navarrete. Pero dito pala sa Purple 4, kailangan pinagpaplanohan nila kung saan nila ilalagay yung Green 6 na yun. Raymart Kamomot up to bring that cue ball around.
Perfect. Nicely done.
Oo.
So kahit saan dyan, basta kita yung kombinasyon. Ito pinag-uusapan nila either kombinasyon o karambola. So depende na lang sa kanilang preference. Taking extension here, Aspuria taking his time, pretty smart move. Hindi dapat nirarush yung mga ganitong
That's right.
tira.
He could actually go for a one more raid after the contact.
That's right. Ayun, so he was planning to set up for
Karom shot.
Karom.
Karambola ang gagawin. Yup. Just like how they threw it up in practice.
Or pwedeng pasigida balik. Pero yan, wala naman pala masyadong angle, so no need. Walang problema dito sa mesa. At eto pa, sina Mauricio at Galve pa dito ang nakasalang.
Di lang sila nabigyan ng malinis sa tira o malinis na opensa kanina nila Nick Abergas tsaka ni Eric Navarrete.
So ito pitik ang 4, balik para sa 5, same pocket. Nicely done. It is safe to say now.
This is an AJ Ong
Approved. 2020 pa. Oh, nice. Good recovery.
Ang ganda nung ginawa niya na he put that English on the right side of the cue
right.
ball.
Yes. Tsaka talaga nag-dig down siya doon to avoid the 7 ball. So back on track now, Mauricio and Jonald.
Save ka ulit.
Ha?
Save, ligtas ka ulit.
Oh, yun,
Sa kanila
yun
pa
na
rin,
nga.
oh.
Yun na nga eh.
Yung binigay mo ng S2S, nasa kanila pa rin eh.
Hindi natuluyan.
So mispreparations lang ang nangyayari, pero
Nakabawi.
naisasamba. Oo. Ayan, tabla tuloy tayo ngayon. Silent 4 here.
Yes.
Pwesto mo na ng tama.
For
3
the
ball side pocket.
That's right. Are they gonna go backwards or forward? Tingnan natin. Backwards.
Backwards,
That's right.
nilakasan. It will make contact and it created some space. Talaga maganda lang. Ay!
So close. Medyo napalakas na din ng konti pero still okay.
Ay na, natupad naman na yung request ni Rainier sa Linel.
Na
Nakatira
makatira.
na. Yan, nakakapakit na rin eh.
Ang ganda ng balik ng Patu dito. Kahit pilipit yung kanyang katawan sa pagtira, no problem para kay Rainiel. And once again, Jay, looking good itong Paranaque Kings.
Ano mo, talaga, dapat gawan na natin ng stats talaga. Yung performance si Eric Navarrete kapag may headgear tapos walang headgear.
Parang mas maganda pa ngayong wala.
Oo. Talaga lumalabas yung puwersa dito ni Eric Navarrete.
Yung tunay na
Tunay na
lakas.
lakas niya.
Oo.
Parang Dragon Ball eh. 5-4 Paranaque.
Jay, check this out. Nagkakagulo sa labas because na diretso ng bagya
Oo.
ito. Pero kaya pa i-force yung cue ball dito. Around. Ayan. What a shot. Look at this. Oh, come on. Give him some love.
Tak. Still open.
Nothing down and muntikan pang makover ng jaw ng corner itong uno. But no problem for RSO.
This is a dream layout, AJ.
Tas baka side pocket na itong 4. Uy, teka lang. Ay,
Oh, got it.
Shot on the 4. Mukhang hindi corner Side
Side.
pocket. Okay, watch out cue ball though.
Sa side kinuha. Papasok na rin yung sung 7. Mas
Buti
gusto
pumasok
nila yan.
na. That's right. Buti nilang kamo. So far, so good. 3 balls away. It is safe to say, Jay.
3 na lang yan eh. 3 na lang.
Siyempre.
3
diba?
na lang yan.
Ayun.
Di na
Uy,
convince.
ay, napakapal ng bahagya doon. Pero they needed that para hindi naman masyadong
That's
malaking
right.
angle for the 8. Oh my. Nicely secured 8
And
ball.
looks like With the way things are going, it's Parañaque's turn to keep a hold of that lead. It's gonna send this through traffic.
Yes.
Ayun, bukas naman pala. It's not,
Yes, pitik na lang.
the Black 8 is not really on its path. Pretty close.
Oh, ito, as early as 6 balls remaining.
Sige.
Binabala ko pa lang, medyo nalalagay sa alanganin yung 4. Inside spin kaya to, up and down side rails. Yes, sir.
Up and
Look
down.
at that.
That's right.
Great shot. Parañaque Kings.
Konting batak.
Ooh!
If anything, I mean, these guys already playing more than around 20 games already, 20 nights already. By this time, kuha na nila yung timpla ng
Yes.
TV table eh.
That's right.
Kasi yun din sasabihin ng mga players if they play in a different table or in a different billiard hall, iba yung
Yun.
timpla ng mesa.
Oo, kasama rin yan sa ano ng isang pro na kailangan marami kang alam na condition ng mesa. Sanay ka dapat sa lahat. Sa Parañaque, baka tago ang pato gamit ang sais.
Yep.
Okay, good control right there.
So this is gonna be a safety battle. This may take a while.
One rail kick. Tingnan natin dito. Baka mabenta na after. Dapat maganda yung pagtama. 3 rails
3
around.
rails. And that 6 ball will
Oh.
go in!
Ayan na. It's just that they need to reach out for this shot. Buti na lang, itong si Ruel Omay ang titira nito.
Oo. Pinakamatangkad na player dito sa Parañaque. Itong si Smiley.
Smiley. Ayan, very nice. So, lusot naman pala itong dos. Shouldn't be a problem now. So, since nagre-request nga kayo, edi, it's safe to say.
Uy, maaga!
Ay, ay, ay! Naku naman, yung timing naman talaga. Jay De La Cruz.
Tatawa rin yung Aris Almario dito.
Napatayo si Jay De La Cruz. Banking with some inside spin will do, pero parang iba. 8, tago. Hindi, ayun. Banking
There's
with
the bank
inside.
shot by Dressir Mauricio.
Great shot from Mauricio. Kaya pala nagdala
Oh.
ng inside spin.
Bank shot na kinargahan pala para bumatak. Nagawa ni Dressir kanina. Siyempre, gagawin din
Oo
yan.
naman.
Ito si driver.
Si driver. Ayun!
Okay, Tams.
Kaso nga lang, medyo kakailanganin pa ata ng isa pa.
Sige, kanya-kanyang opinion yung mga taga-Negros Occidental kung ano gagawin ni Christian Season dyan.
Didikit yung 3 sa 5, possibly. O, pwede na rin.
Ahoy! Back-to-back bank shots by
Yun.
Parañaque rather. Pag nakuha namin to, amin yung momentum, magtutuloy-tuloy to.
Parang ganun na nga. Yun.
There's a draw shot.
Great shot right there. Wow, check this out, Jay. Talagang nararamdaman ko na.
Their own prediction here. Sabi ni RSO, pag
Control sa 5. Nicely done. Great shot.
nandun din yung kumpiyansa talaga. Diniklara nga kanina ni Roel, oh my!
Okay, still good, still
Yup.
good. Nasa bottom end eh. Kaya kahit na hill-hill dito, masaya na sila.
They
Ganito
used
yung
to-
nagiging resulta.
They're used to play without pressure.
Yes. Kaya delikado rin yan. Kumbaga dangerous din ang magiging
Yeah.
ano nito.
Yun nga, may nagsasabi nito, in every action field that you're gonna see, the most dangerous opponent in the world is the one that has nothing,
Nothing
to lose.
Exactly, Jay.
And Parañaque is showing just that.
We're not making this up, guys.
That's been the
Check
story
this
so
out.
far.
Yeah. Navarrete, paano mapapatawid? Wow, check that out. Nicely done. Force follow the cue ball. He needs some love.
Fantastic shot
Great
coming
shot.
from Eric Navarrete.
And just like that, talaga, Jay, 5, ipapalusot na lang ba sa pagitan? Ande, talagang they needed to push that object ball para simplified na lang at hindi na nila masyadong iisipin.
No.
Pero wow, ito.
Doon nila kukunin
nice.
sa kabila.
Palakpakan mga tao dito. Great shot, great placement from the captain.
And that cue ball will not go anywhere anymore.
That is right.
Ah, hindi. Pinapasyal pa.
De, kumbaga sa side na to, hindi na pupunta sa kabila. So, looking good na to, Jay. Hill is about to happen. 2 balls remaining.
Ilabas mo pa lahat ng S2S. Ilabas mo pa lahat ng it's looking good. Ilabas mo na lahat ng mga quote-unquote bad words natin dito. This is gonna go the hill.
That's
Hill
right.
battle to.
Nothing is stopping these guys. 12 all. They didn't fail us.
Oh! That's a scary sight.
Wow.
If you're Parañaque.
Sinabi mo pa.
That one ball's in a very precarious position. Then there are clustering of balls. Oh!
Will they go for their second victory for this week? Look at that shot right there. Kakayanin pa ba? Hindi natago muna sa 3. Good decision. Okay, 3 rails.
Oh, he's gonna go 3 rails in
Yeah.
this one.
1, 2, 3.
Got it.
But not bad.
Oh, there's
Not
still
bad
no offensive shot.
Kung saan final game na saka lumabas ang spadahan.
Fantastic
Nice.
safety shot coming from Rainiel Salinel. Kumalat yung bola.
Kaya gagawa sila ng problema dito.
Oo.
Ayun. Nako, teka. Ayun. Pwede na rin.
Went for an intentional foul.
Pinag-uusapan.
Yung mga nanonood dito sa Sharks Arena, marami tayong kasama dito. Marami tayong mga bisita.
Inside spin. Salinel puts it away.
Did not make contact on that purple 4.
But it's bankable.
Yup, there's that option.
Gil.
O, pabuka yun.
That's right. Nicely
Got
done.
it!
Oh, hang on. Check this out. Come on. Oh, my. What is happening? Sayang yun.
Jonas would have
Hang
called
on.
for an extension. He
Aspuya.
is serious about making this combination.
Sabi ng kanyang partner, ubusin daw nila. Oh, come on. Really now. Baka mahataw siya ni Galve kung tinuloy niya, eh, no?
Di na si Jonald Calve hataw sa kanya.
Buong Negros.
Buong Negros.
Ending ba nito? Pang corner yung 7 o kaya pa bang habulin sa side? Kaya pa. Hatak ng konti.
Baka masingkit, hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Pero grabe, Jay. Grabe
Wow,
yun. Sayang
what a
yun.
match.
Kanina, for Parañaque.
What a match. You have to repeat this rack number 25 again and again and again.
An opening para dito kay Ryan Mark Hidalgo, the Black Eagle.
Who hasn't won a rack this week? Which is so strange.
Lalampas na naman to.
Which is a strange thing actually. For the
Actually, siya kayo nilaban sa singles nung kalaban lang Makati Titans and he won over Marcel Crisquizon 13-10. Ang katanungan niya, can it be another 4-1?
oh,
Ayun, they're poised to get another one here, 4-1, unless of course Parañaque has something to say about it.
he needs to get his confidence back. He needs to get his game going, his groove,
Mavericks.
which is one of the
Yeah.
hottest, or if not one, the hottest team
Ayan.
in the league. What a fantastic
Ayan.
draw shot from
Oh.
Great Things
You
Happen.
gotta get yourself warmed up. You let your stroke fly every now and then. And Ryan Mark Hidalgo is able to get to the 9 ball unperturbed. And that's gonna be a run out para dito kay Black Eagle.
4-5, kaya nasundan sa may yung serye na to.
Ayun, Hidalgo with a good break.
Anong gagawin sa one ball
Hindi
dito?
yata opensa to. Umopensa na! Again, yung 8 galing sa 6. That should be easy. Successful sa kanya Sargo. Successful sa isang bank shot. Ginamit pa talaga yung 8 para
What
papasokan
a
yan.
play. And true to his newly found nickname, he is making great things happen.
Medyo matagal na daw yan nickname na
Oh.
yan. Pero, ayan na. Dinare-diretso na ng mamang Tagalukban. Break and run out for the first time. Bro number 1, Jay. Palibasan na dyan si Gary Arado. Chef
9
Gary is
ball! Yes!
Gulat na gulat. Etong si Galve.
Pag nag-foul ka, foul nun. Pag nagreklamo ka sa referee, nabigyan ka ng technical foul.
A good landing here because he can nudge the 4 ball, use it as a stopping ball para kita yung tres. Ayan.
Magiging bawi na to ni Raymart Kamamot sa laban nila. This is actually the matchup that started this night.
Right.
It was Christian Season who ended up as the victor in that matchup. At si Reynel Salinel naiinip na.
Ang cute naman ni Reynel Salinel. Noong nakahiga si Jolo Aspuria sa balikat ni Dinmar Castranuevo. Si Jolo Aspuria.
Di mo alam ko si DMC yung nakahanap ng stop toy o si Jolo Aspuria yung nakahanap ng unan.
Yun na nga eh. Bungkama pa nga yata yun.
Oo. But for Raymart Kamamot, he is all business.
So, nung kinapos yung kanyang tira, napahirap lang ng konti. Will this be an easy one? Ay! Munti ka na.
Nagpakababa si Raymart Kamamot.
So, this should be something that is makeable para kay Lito Lapid.
Pero we've seen a lot of players miss this kind of shot, especially that ball attached to the rail, but not Raymart Kamamot.
Oy, sinama pa yung 9.
Hindi na kontento sa isa, Noel.
Interim head coaching position. He has no hesitation, Jay, to sacrifice himself. So now it's time for Eric Navarrete. Now, nakukunin naman niya yung challenge na ginawa ni Reynel Salinel.
Kaya you gotta wonder after this series kung nasan na.
Pag itong Negros continues on this slump, pagdating sa break,
Yun yung obserbasyon niya na maganda nilalaro ni Eric Navarrete. The numbers.
To be benched na ikaw ang pumasok dyan sa loob. Sunod-sunod na dapat yan para sa kanya.
And could be the breakthrough that the Kings are looking for despite of that shocking attempt coming from Jolo Aspuria. Kita namin si Jolo yun.
Short side kukunin to 9.
9 ball coming up. Gapang sa gilid, papunta sa kanto, walang problema.
And Jojo Sanchez needs a friend.
Hindi. Ayan.
Ayun. Siyempre.
Pleasing personality naman kasi.
Ayan naman.
Talaga, oh. Ayan.
Ngiti pa rin si Madam Bernadette eh.
Unahin mo na ang projection bago pagsabihan si Jolo Aspuria. At nakita mo yung reaction ng Jolo Aspuria kanina. That is the same reaction that he gave last night. Layo, no?
Number 7. Ito si Brian Sagiped with 7 scratches on the break. I mean, he did show that in the one-on-one last Wednesday nung kalaban niya, itong si Jonald Galve. Bigyan mo lang ng opening. Abergas will do the packeting.
Get out of a hole. Be productive on those creative shots. Isa lang talaga hindi nila magawa.
This is the only team in the entire SBA na wala pang naipapanalong serye. Lost against Quezon City 3-2. But eventually got swept by Manila MSW Mavericks. And Jolo Aspuria is not happy. Yun lang ang tama sa 6. Now he has to bank this or play a safety shot. Tago sa likod ng 9. Didn't get there. 2 rails ito. Good shot. Benta nga lang.
Uy, walang cut shot yan, ha?
Like he's playing safe. Talking about Nick Abergas. Kinuha niya.
Masyadong, oo. Pero, nandun naman eh. May Ryan Mark Hidalgo. No.
Mahirap yung angulo, ha?
Oo.
Pag nilagay mo sa top diamond yan, it's like telling me I can bank this.
Oo.
Pero ilalayo ulit.
Parang ganyan yung mga Ay! Muntik.
Teka, napaganda pa yata. Oo. Ito kita yung pisngi, kaliwang pisngi ng 6 ball. But does he get cover? Ay, I'm not sure. Mukhang meron naman.
Sino ang unang kukurap?
Ay, dito pa niya kukunin.
Oh. Sino ang unang kukurap? tumalon yung bola. It made contact and it's good.
Oh, but that's
However, it's so close. Very thin angle, pero hindi pa pala thin.
Nako, yan.
Tago ulit.
Oh,
Tried.
completely missed it.
Paper cut.
Because Hidalgo will have an opportunity to send Negros Occidental to the hill.
Acrobatics muna dito si Ryan Mark Hidalgo. Konting gymnastics, pero walang problema.
Yan na.
Another huge series for Quezon City because they'll be going up against the hottest.
Nice ko lang batiin to si Manny Argonza. Binibigyan ng bagong moniker si Darth Bonote.
Ano sabi?
Siya nakaisip ng Run DMC. Darth Vader daw.
Pinabatak.
Ayun! Yung pala ang daan nun. Pero sa nipis, mukhang pasok tong 8. Yan o. Ni
At
shark pa siya.
paparamdam na si Dean Mark Castranuevo.
Nice shot. Nice shot from Omay. That was a lot of pressure behind that shot.
Or it could be a 2-rail bounce. That's one.
Okay.
Ayun. Ganyan. And
Banayan.
Roel Omay is just about to save 1 match point. Uy. Match point. Mauricio already won 3 racks here this evening. He scored 3 straight.
Okay, he really
Oy.
forced it with a lot of check side para manatili dito sa side na to.
Another draw shot para sa
Konting pasunod lang.
Sunod.
Oh, uy, that was close though.
Parang kakapal yung tama dun sa banda. Pero sakto lang para kay Tisoy. It's posing some bit of an issue.
Preparing for this 7 ball. May lakad si Drasir.
May taxi ba nag-aabang sa labas?
Si taxi driver, nandyan.
Actually, ganyan din yung takbo ng laro nila ni Jolo Aspuria kahapon eh.
Oo.
Kung saan nakatayo, yung isa, doon kasi titirahin na.
Well, this is the end of the line. John Drasir Mauricio will give Negros yet another 4-1 victory in a series dito sa SBA.